Becca's having his morning drink. He likes to lap water out of the faucet. He likes to bat it around. He does this every day. Except he's being kind of camera shy this morning. Here he goes. Never seen such a silly kitty who loves water so much. Is that pretty good, Raj? Bessa, boy, boy. Yum, 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 yum. Keep his teeth nice and clean anyway. Right, Raj? Morning. Bessa. That's it. We're done.